Hi everyone, it's good to have you. In this course, we'll be learning how to build a full stack e-commerce website from the scratch, from the bottom to the end. And we'll be using HTML, CSS, PHP, JQuery, JavaScript, Ajax, and using MySQLI database. And this e-commerce website is going to have all e-commerce functions, all the e-commerce functions. And if you don't even have any knowledge of programming language, don't worry, you will learn through with this course. And at the end of the course, you will be glad you enrolled for this. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you some of the things we'll be doing, we'll be building from the scratch to the end. Like this is the home page, the index page. I'm sure you can see it's looking very beautiful. You have the header, and then you can see from the header there's a menu bar here. This is the company logo, there's a search button here, and then the cart. I know you love this cart, don't worry, I'll show you how I made everything, how it's built. And you see, if you go through the menu bar, you have a list of menu. Since this is just for tutorial purpose, for learning purpose, so you can design it. By the time you learn everything, you know how to design and redesign and even make it much better and have more lists here. And all these lists are showing from the backend, from our database. So I will show you how that is built, and then you can see your search button too, your search icon. It also responds promptly. From there, you find your the banner. The banner, the sweeper, the first sweeper. I used a sweeper JS. I will show you how it is done, how everything can be done, and you see it's sweeping and it's automated. You see the way it moves. This serves like a banner or like your first point of contact for all your customers. This is where you host a new advert, new sales, anything you want to, any offer that is going on. This is one of the best places that you show it to your customers, and the banner side, or like the signpost, like the signage. So from there we'll go to product categories. You see the first list I have here is shop best-selling products, and the first product category. At this point, you see we have different products. You can see, and the good thing about it is it's automated, and it can move. You see, it's sweep. You can have a list going and keeps going like that. And you can see different type of product, and you see different categories. I'll show you how everything is built, how you make everything from the ground up, new collections. Since this is just for tutorial purpose, this is just aimed at showing you how everything is built. By the time you have the good understanding of how it is done, you can redesign your things the way you want it, and have different collections, endless categories. Like you can have for men fashion, or male, female, kids collections. You can have those categories in your index page. But once you understand one, you understand all. So that's just the thing. Then you have shop by category. You can choose to shop. If you click this now, it will take you to a page where women fashions will be displayed, men fashion, kids fashion, general goods, bags, shoes. These are things we're going to be building. And then you have the footer also. I know you love this footer as well. Carrying the information about your website and your company, how to contact you, what you do, and fast print. And then you have the newsletter where your customers can subscribe to your newsletter, and everything is handy. Everything has been connected with the backend, with the database. Let's say, for example, somebody click on submit now. It's going to display a message, an error message. Please enter your email. If the email is not correct, it will still enter a valid email address. You see, I'll be showing you how all these things are created. And then another beautiful feature here that you're going to learn how to build is a point of action that I created here, the WhatsApp point of action. You can use any social media. Like any customer that clicks on this now from your website can send a message directly to you through WhatsApp. It will take the person to your WhatsApp, to the company's WhatsApp, or any social media platform that you use for either queries or for direct information or for order processing. So somebody can easily chat with you right from your website. And these things, I will show you how to build them freely. I know a lot of people pay for this, and they even pay subscription monthly, weekly. But in this video, I'll show you how to do it freely. Everything is free. It's just the power of information. Now, if you go through this, now you discover that from this collection now, if I say it's showing out of stocks for product that is out of stock, this information is coming from the back end. So let's say, for example, now I want to buy a product. As I want to buy this product now, this product has other categories. If I press buy, it will redirect me. Instead of it to add it to cart, it will redirect me. Why? Because it has other sections that you may need to click, like size, like color of the product. So that's the reason why it's redirecting. Okay. You see now it's showing me to select what the size. Like this product now has variation. The variation here now is the size, and it's asking me to select either small or medium or big. This is the size we have in stock. Now we'll add it to cart, and you see it will change. Product added to cart. Now you can go back. To our home page, and let's pick another product. Okay, let's say this one now that's out of stock. If I pick it, they tell you this product is out of stock, and it will not add it to cart. And let's get another product that doesn't have variation. It will add it immediately, like this one, product added to cart, because there's no variation for this. Now let's pick another product with another variation. Let's say this. I think this has variations too. So if I click on buy, it will redirect me so that I can select. You can see it's asking me to select size or color. Now if I click on color, you see it changes in real time. You can see it changes in real time, and all these things are documented in your cart. Like, okay, let's see now. Let's choose big. here, and then let's choose wine color here, and then let's now add it to cart. So product added to cart. If you try to, so that's the thing. And you can have your product details, product description about the product, descriptions about the product. Now from here, let's say we want to go to cart and see it. You'll see it will show you everything we've added so far. You can see we have this showing the price and the quantity, and then you can see it's showing the wine color, because that was what you chose. Now let's say now you can update your product, you can update your cart quantity from here. Let's say you want 2 of these. You just simply press up and it goes. You see it updates everything in real time, and then you press update and the product is updated. Let me reload the page and you see it will be 15,000. Okay, just hold out with me. The network seems to slow this hour, so you can see it's 15,000 and then it is updated. From there you can remove any product you do not wish to buy anymore. Like let's say now if I remove this, it has removed it, and it has updated the price. Now let's go to checkout. Let's process the product. You can see this is the checkout. And here you see, since you have not chosen the delivery method, your cart pricing is not showing, it's not displaying, not until you have checked and you have picked a delivery method. Let's say for example you want to pick a store pickup. If you like, you can try through delivery method, and it's asking you for the city. You have the list of the cities and then the store you want to pick from, and then your email. That's all. And as soon as it accepts your pickup request, you see it's showing the cart price, the cart total. You see 10,000 naira, delivery fee is 0 since you are picking up from store. And from there, let's say for example you want to choose order delivery by delivery. You select your city. Let's select your city, any city. This is from Nigeria. Select any city. You can type any address. Let's just have an anonymous address, and then you can. Let's pick this. You see, as soon as you pick the city, it will show the delivery fee for that city. You can have you can do it the way you want, and then from there it enters the recipient's phone number. Let's just add anonymous phone number for now. And you see, it's telling you the number must be 11 digits only. You know, all these things you learn how to do them. Then you add your. You see, it will add the delivery fee instantly to the cart total. You can see delivery fee. I'll show you how everything is done, and then it's now 13,000. Then for now, since it's for tutorial purpose, I added just by bank transfer. If you want to use online platform, and if you prefer me to add online platform like using Stripe, Paystar, PayPal, you can just let me know in the comment section, and I will bring that up for you too for your learning. It's so easy to do. So from here now, we'll take to bank transfer to display the information, the account detail of the store of the website where you can pay to, and you can see there's a unique order ID for this product. This order ID is unique to this product. No two products can have this order ID. It's just for this product, and you can never have it again. So the only person that has this ID is the owner, is the customer who is trying to purchase this product. Another person cannot have the same ID, and it is automatically generated for each product at checkout. So you can see the bank account. This is the order ID. You can see the information. Enter the above order ID as your transfer description, so that the admin will be able to see this order ID, and this order ID is attached to these orders, this order alone. So you see it's showing the account name, the bank account, and then the order ID to prove that okay, you are the owner of the product. It will also show, like I said, in the admin side. And once you've done that, you know how much to transfer to the account of the store owner, and from there the store owner can confirm your payment through your order ID. So then you click on proceed. You click on proceed now. Click on proceed. See transaction completed successfully. Now that the transaction has been completed successfully, you see what just look at what will happen. It has processed the order. The order is already in the database. The order will be showing now at the admin side, admin section, that somebody had just made a purchase from your store, and then the order details, everything will be there with the order ID. And if you go to the database, you see that the order is also there. Because of time, I don't want to bug you too much. Even though I have gone to the database now, you can see it from the database that the order is already there. But we will see how everything is done. Don't worry. So it shouldn't bug you with too many information. In the next video, we'll get started with everything, and you see everything, and talk about how responsive it is. It is very responsive. It responds to every device, every mobile platform, even on the system, on the computer. You see, it has a good resolution. You can see now the search bar dropped. See the arrangement changed. Look at the initial one. You can see now. Look at as the resolution changes. You see, and you can see everything adjusts, and everything aligns well, and it's very responsive on different platforms, different resolution, either on Android or iOS or on the computer. You see, everything is responsive. You can see very responsive, very responsive. So see you in the next video where we get started with everything, and you see how we build everything from the beginning to the end. Remember, you're going to learn how to build the front end, the back end, and the admin side. It is a full stack e-commerce website that you can even use and deploy as your website, as your e-commerce website. Please do remember to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. It's very important. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next